Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also make sure you turn off the dishwasher's water supply underneath the sink. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the Frigidaire Dishwasher High Limit Thermostat. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new High Limit Thermostat. The High Limit Thermostat is a safety device located in the bottom of the dishwasher. It prevents the dishwasher from overheating. The main reason to be changing it out is if it's shorted out and your heater isn't working. In order to get to the part, we have to pull the dishwasher out of the cabinet, and we are going to tilt the dishwasher, so we're going to take the lower rack out so it doesn't bounce around. To get the rack out, all you have to do is open the door, carefully pull out the lower rack, lift it out and set it on the counter. Once you have the rack out, we can go underneath the sink and remove the lines. First thing we're going to do is remove your dishwasher drain line, follow it up to wherever it goes and remove the clamp. We're going to use a 5/16 on ours. Make sure that when you take these off, that you have some towels around. Both the water line and the drain line might put some water out. Next thing we have to do is remove the fill line. It's usually connected to the hot water tap, and of course we already had that shut off and the power disconnected from earlier. But now we need to remove the line, and we can take it off with a 5/8 inch wrench. Now that we have the lines disconnected from underneath the sink, we can take our Phillips screwdriver and take the screws out that mount the dishwasher to the countertop. Once you have the screws out, we can carefully grab the dishwasher door and use it to pull the dishwasher out of the cabinet. Once you have it out far enough to grab the frame, you can close the door and use the frame to guide it out the rest of the way. Now that we have the dishwasher pulled out of the cabinet, we're going to grab a towel and lay it on the floor to protect the floor so you don't scratch it, and in case any water comes out as you lay it on the side. Once you have the towel down, we can carefully lay the dishwasher on its side. Now that we have the dishwasher on the side, we have access to the high limit thermostat. As you're looking at the bottom of the dishwasher, it's on the left side, upper corner. We're going to remove the two wires. They're both marked red, so we're going to remember that the red one that goes to the heating element is on the right, and the other one is on the left. All you have to do is grab these and pull them off. Once you have the wires removed, we can use our Phillips screwdriver to remove the screw that holds it in. Once you have the screw out, you can pull out the high limit thermostat. Here's the old high limit thermostat next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. In order to put the new high limit thermostat in, we're going to guide it into place and hold it with our thumb while we use our other hand to use the Phillips screwdriver to put the screw and the little plastic bracket that holds it in into place. You want to make sure the little tab on the top right here is in the proper spot as you tighten it down. Once you have it mounted, we can reconnect the wires. Remember, the red one from the heating element goes to the right, and the other red one was connected on the left. Once you have both wires reconnected, we can flip the dishwasher back up and put it back in the cabinet. First thing we're going to do is carefully lift the dishwasher back up onto its base so we can slide it back into the cabinets. Once you have it up, you can pull out any towels we put down and get them out of the way. Now we can route the lines back through the cabinet. We want to push the dishwasher in about halfway and then go underneath the sink and pull on the hoses to make sure that they're not kinked or caught on anything underneath. We can push it back into the counter. We can hook back up the lines. So we're going to hook up the water line and use our 5/8 inch wrench to tighten it down. Then we can hook up the drain line back up to the air gap. All you have to do is push it on and tighten down the clamp using your 5/16 nut driver or screwdriver. Now that we have the lines connected underneath the sink, we can carefully open up the dishwasher door and reinstall the screws that hold it to the countertop. We're going to use our Phillips screwdriver to put them in. Now that we have the screws in, we can lift the lower rack off the countertop and set it on the door, push it all the way back into place. Once you have it in, you can close the dishwasher door, plug it back in, turn the water back on, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.